Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find any word meaning just by selecting it in Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Notification Dictionary, and on the first list you will see the application. Just click on it. Now just tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open, just tap on allow, wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see various informations present inside this applications. So now just enable this option, read option. Now you can just minimize it. Now let us open any web browser or any application you can open also. So just to give you an example, I'm opening a Chrome web browser and say let me select some word here. So I have selected this operating system. Right now you can see your three dot icons. Just click on it. Now you will see here one new option written meaning. Right, just click on it. Now you can see pop-up notification. You can just swipe down the notification toggle in order to see the word meaning, or you can just click on it if you want to see the complete meaning. So you can see here I've searched for the operating system, so you can see here the meaning of the operating system as you can see here. So similarly you can do the same thing with other text. So let us try different word meaning like software. So let me just select this. Once again click on these three dot icons, click on this meaning. Now you can see, now you can just click on this here also. Now you can see the software meaning, as you can see here the software meaning. So by using this application named as Notification Dictionary, you can easily find any word meaning just by selecting it in Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.